Damaged rollers will make your garage door extremely difficult or even impossible to operate, so let's get into replacing them. These are some of the best options, and we'll get into them in more detail below. Number 1, most popular. DURA-LIFT Ultra Life Max 6200ZZ Bearing Nylon Garage Door Roller. The stems are double-plated, the wheels have double walls, and the ball bearings are greased before they are sealed and capped to keep them contained. The bearings are 6200ZZ and the nylon wheels reduce their noise level by up to 75%. They can bear loads of nearly 200 pounds and survive over 155,000 garage door cycles. Doubling anything makes it better, and DURA-LIFT doubles the double. Its stems are double-plated and its wheels have double casing. These features push this brand way above the bar. Number 2. Fehr Brothers 6200Z Precision Sealed Bearing Garage Door Rollers. The garage door rollers from Fehr Brothers don't look that different from competing brands. But they do have a few variations. For example, some rollers have pure steel stems. Fehr Brothers has 4-inch stems, but they are coated with zinc. That said, the ball bearings are sufficiently sealed and these bearings easily hold weights of up 150 pounds. And it's tested and certified for up to 100,000 garage door cycles. Each roller has 6200ZZ bearings housed in a precision-sealed nylon casing. This makes the garage door roller sturdy but silent. The bearings weigh a little under 3 pounds in total. Number 3. COLIBROX Garage Door Roller. As you shop for supplies, you often have to weigh longevity against cost and convenience. In the case of garage doors, the best garage door rollers for your needs will depend on your priorities. These 7-inch stems are more suited for garage doors with dual hinges. They are intended for wider, heavier doors, which is why they are fully made of steel. These long steel hinges are sleek and sparkly, but they are also rugged and heavy-duty. They can support bulky garage doors, especially double doors with twin hinges and deep stem slots. Number 4. National Ball Nylon Garage Door Rollers. The National Nylon, these ball bearings are sealed inside a nylon wheel case, so they are drastically muted. Also, to ensure the balls stay smooth and don't stick, the sealed wheel is lubricated from the inside. This process happens with the help of a lubricating groove. The groove seeps lubricant into the wheel case over time and extending the lifespan of your roller wheels. The wheels are half an inch thick and are pivoted on 4-inch steel stems. The rollers can support garage doors up to 125 pounds and last twice as long as standard original garage door rollers. The rollers weigh 2.5 pounds. Number 5. Hardware X Supply Seal End Soft 2-inch Nylon Garage Door Rollers. If you read through articles on garage door rollers, you'll see they can be steel, nylon, or zinc. But that doesn't refer to the whole roller, just its wheel housing. The stem is always metal, but the wheel can be metal or plastic. Seal End Soft uses the latter. Each roller has a 4-inch stainless steel shaft mounted on a 2-inch nylon wheel to keep it quiet. These garage door rollers can each support 130 pounds and they are good for 10,000 garage door cycles before they need replacing. They are hardy rollers with 5 layers beneath the sealing cap. Number 6. F&T Garage Door Rollers. This is only the second set of steel garage door rollers we've reviewed. The outer surface isn't glossy because it's not stainless steel. It has an external coating of zinc. These F&T rollers are fitted with 10 ball bearings apiece. The casing isn't sealed shut on these rollers. Metal rollers are sometimes left open to allow easy penetration of your lubricating fluid. The 12-pack of steel rollers weighs 4 pounds in total. Regular rollers can hold about 150 pounds each, but these steel ones have been effectively tested for up to 300 pounds. Number 7. 11Ku 10-pack blue nylon garage door roller. So far, we've looked at rollers with white caps and metallic caps. This is the first model that has a black wheel housing. It has other distinctions as well. For example, while its compatriots have stainless steel ball bearings, XiKe is fitted with 13 chrome steel balls. The balls are 6200 ZZ and can last for 100,000 cycles each. The black wheel is made of nylon with standard lubrication. It can hold up to 150 pounds and works at temperatures of 30 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. XiKe garage door rollers are stronger than rival brands by a factor of 10. Number 8. ABN Quiet Garage Door Rollers. Some buyers prefer to stick to models made in the US. It's not just about patriotism, it's also about practicality. The wheels are nylon, making these garage door rollers sweetly silent. Of course, they are not completely quiet, but they are significantly less noisy than metal rollers. And because each wheel has 13 ball bearings, the garage door moves more smoothly. Lubricants cut noise too, and this brand works best with silicone lube. The wheel housing has a lubricant groove that distributes your oil more slowly and evenly, but because of the groove, some don't consider this a sealed roller.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.